Hello and welcome to Acadlix LMS. In this video, we will explore the certificate settings section in Acadlix. Acadlix allow you to automatically issue certificates when students complete a course successfully. You can customize certificates details, upload your signatures, and choose from Prebuilt certificate templates to create professional completion certificates for your students. Let's navigate to Acadlix, then Settings, and then Certificate. Here you will find all the certificate related settings. First one is Authorized name. Enter the name of the authorized person who will appear on the certificate. This is usually the instructor, director, principal, organization owner, etc. Next is Authorized company name. Enter your institute or company name. This will also appear on the certificate. Show instructor name. Enable this option if you want the instructor's name to appear on the certificate. This is useful for instructor-led courses and training programs. Next is Show course completion date. Enable this option to display the course completion date on the certificate. This helps make certificate more professional and verifiable. Next is Certificate page. Usually this is automatically created during installation of the plugin. But if it is not selected, then you can create one page. This page is used to display and generate the certificate for the students. Next is Certificate link in email. Enable this option if you want Acadlix to automatically include the certificate link in completion email. This allows students to directly access and download their certificates from the email itself. Next is Upload signature image. You can upload a signature image that will appear on the certificate. The recommended size is 700 by 430 pixel and the supported formats are JPG, JPEG and PNG. And for the best result, use the transparent PNG signature. Next is certificate templates. Acadlix also provides pre-built certificate templates. Simply select the template you want to use for your website. These templates are professionally designed and ready to use. In future updates, more certificate templates will be added to the Acadlix. After configuring all the settings, click Save Changes to apply the settings. The certificates are issued only for the courses where certificate generation is enabled during course creation. This gives administrator full control over which courses should provide certificates upon completion. Once enabled for a course, Acadlix can automatically issue certificates when students successfully complete that course. This helps create a more professional learning experience and encourage students to complete their courses successfully. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comment section below.